Hi, I'm Shanaz and welcome to Nazatap. Today I'm cooking Cilbir, which is Turkish poached egg. Your breakfast prep can't get easier than this. Let me show you how I make my version of Turkish poached eggs. So two very important things. My yogurt is at room temperature, however my eggs are not. So a couple of spoons of yogurt. A minced garlic clove goes in. Some sea salt and give it all a good whisk. Next, I'm finely chopping some dill. These are best friends with yogurt or sour cream. I'm roughly crushing some cumin seeds as well. This will be used as garnish later. Set it aside and let's start cooking. So while the water is boiling for the poached eggs, I'm going to prepare a very lovely butter sauce. In goes the salted butter. You would want the butter to melt in low heat, and as soon as the butter starts sizzling, I'll be adding a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. And finally, the star of the ingredients, some Aleppo pepper. If you do not have Aleppo pepper, you can use paprika, but I wouldn't substitute. I mean, Aleppo pepper is this really gorgeous, rich, roughly crushed pepper from Aleppo, as the name says. And this has a rich undertone. It's mildly sweet, mildly tangy, and the heat develops slowly and it's just gorgeous. So Aleppo pepper, guys. Patiently keep stirring on low heat so that the pepper infuses the fat. This is done. Now let's move on to the poached eggs. There is no right or wrong way to make poached eggs. This is how I make it. What I usually do is crack the egg and slightly drain the excess albumin, the egg white. Once this is done, you want the water as hot as possible, but not bubbling away, as that can cause turbulence and will create this white stringy things. Add some vinegar, bring the flame to medium and gently but swiftly drop the raw egg. Cook for around 90 seconds and transfer them to a plate lined with a kitchen towel. Perfect. Time to plate. Make a well using the yogurt sauce. Place the poached egg on top. Sprinkle some chopped dill, followed by the crushed cumin seeds. Remember, we haven't seasoned the eggs. Drizzle with this heavenly Aleppo pepper infused butter sauce. Yum! And last but not the least, my most favorite Middle Eastern North African condiment, sumac. This is completely optional, but yeah, I would recommend using it. So this is how you make Turkish poached eggs. I hope you liked the video. Do not forget to hit the like button. I love to read your comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.